Changing your Ohio LLC's address involves more than just updating a few forms. Failing to properly notify the right agencies can lead to missed tax notices, legal correspondence, and potential penalties. Whether you're moving across town or to another state, understanding the proper procedures is essential for maintaining your business's good standing. An Ohio LLC address change requires notifying multiple government entities at the federal, state, and local levels. This includes the IRS, Ohio Secretary of State, and Department of Revenue. The specific requirements vary depending on whether you're moving within Ohio or relocating to another state entirely. For businesses moving within Ohio, you'll need to update your information with several agencies. If you're moving to a different city or county, you must inform your current location about the move and apply for a new business license in your destination. You'll also need to file a new fictitious name or DBA in the new county if applicable. You may need to amend your original Articles of Organization for an LLC or Articles of Incorporation for a corporation to reflect your new address. Even sole proprietorships who have registered their business name should inform the Secretary of State about the change. These updates typically involve a small processing fee. Don't forget to notify the State Department of Revenue about your address change. This ensures you'll continue receiving important updates regarding state income taxes, sales taxes, and other applicable state taxes. You'll need to cancel your account with the old department and establish a new one in your new location. When moving within Ohio, updating your business licenses and permits is crucial. Check with your new city or county government to determine what additional business licenses or operating permits might be required. If you had specific licenses in your previous location, be sure to notify that jurisdiction of your change. Tax registrations must also be updated with the Ohio Department of Taxation to avoid potential penalties. Businesses that collect sales tax need to update their vendor's license address. Additionally, notify your business bank, lenders, payment processors, and insurance providers to ensure there are no disruptions in your financial transactions or coverage. Moving your business to another state involves more complex considerations. You'll need to register your business as a legal entity in the new state through that state's Secretary of State office. If you have an LLC, you may be able to register as a foreign business in your new state rather than establishing an entirely new entity. Business owners who don't plan to return to Ohio may be able to let their state registration lapse, though some states require notification when you're leaving. Always verify the requirements in both your current and new state before making any decisions. You'll also need to register with the Department of Revenue in your new state to collect sales tax and handle other tax obligations. For businesses that will maintain operations in both Ohio and another state, registering as a foreign LLC is typically necessary. This process involves filing a foreign qualification application with the new state's Secretary of State and maintaining a registered agent in that state. State filing fees vary, so research the specific costs for your destination state. If you're completely ceasing operations in Ohio, dissolving your business is the appropriate step. This requires filing a certificate of dissolution for corporations or an LLC certificate of cancellation with the Ohio Secretary of State. You'll also need to settle all remaining state tax obligations, close your tax accounts, notify creditors, and cancel any business licenses or permits. Changing your Ohio business name involves a specific process that's more costly than your original filing. You'll need to file Form 524, the Name Registration Update Form, with the Ohio Secretary of State's office. Check box 4 at the top of the form, which indicates cancellation of registration, and include all requested information, along with the processing fee. Before registering your new name, conduct a search on the Ohio Secretary of State website to verify its availability. Then file a registration under the new name as if it were a completely new business, using Form 534A. Include all requested information and the required filing fee when submitting your application. When changing your business name, remember to update all legal agreements and contracts. Notify partners, suppliers, and clients to ensure business continuity. Inform the IRS and Ohio Department of Taxation about your new name to avoid tax filing discrepancies. Update your website, social media accounts, marketing materials, and financial institutions to reflect the change. Properly managing your Ohio LLC address or name change requires attention to detail and following specific procedures. By notifying all relevant agencies, updating your licenses and permits, and maintaining proper registrations, you can ensure a smooth transition, whether you're moving across town or across state lines.